300C HEMI, 5.7 liter. It's got stock converters there and there. X-pipe, well, not X-pipe, flex pipe. I don't know what's going on with me lately. Got factory X-pipe. Then what we did, deleted the mid mufflers and deleted the mid suitcase right there and put Dynamax race bullets. There'll be a link in the description for them with 2.5-inch pipe. Then we did a rear resonator muffler delete there and there. And then we put some 4-inch tips there and there. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. So if you guys like the work, please subscribe, comment, and like our videos. There's the rear 2 mufflers or resonators. There's the suitcase muffler in the middle. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. No rasp, just clean. That's nice. Your sound decibels? Bro, it hit 160. Go ahead and back it up. That's awesome. That's better. Chrysler 300 with Dynamax race. Oh, that's so sick. It's so perfect. I love that sound. I love it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chrysler 300C. It came out nice. Dynamax race bullets. Oh yeah, man. He's smooth. That's for 300C 2008 HEMI 5.7. What we got done on it? Something, we usually don't do. Factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X-pipe there. Then we only put 2 Flowmaster Super 10s. One there, one there. Part number 842512. There'll be a link in the description for them. As you guys can see right there. There they are. Beautiful. And then we kept the rear resonators on it. There and there. He didn't want it too loud. That's why we left them on there. There's the suitcase muffler that was on it. We cut it off right there. And he kept the factory tips out the back. There and there, as you guys can see. So it's only got 2 Flowmaster Super 10s right there. There'll be a link in the description for all of it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Chrysler 300C HEMI 5.7 Flowmaster Super 10. You guys want that hollow, nice deep tone? Go with the Flowmaster Super 10. Not bad. Your sound decibels? Right at 100. Go ahead and back it up. Ain't bad at all. Sounds good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. 300C with Flowmaster Super Tan instead of that suitcase that was on it. Heavy power. 2007 Chrysler 300S, 5.7 liter HEMI. What is it, Tim? HEMI, baby. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys, got factory converters. They are in there. Then factory X-Pipe. Then he brought his own carbon TRs he had on his truck. And he's like, oh, I want to put them on this 300, see how it sounds. And we're like, we can do it for you. So they're right there, as you guys can see. Then we continued his 2 1/4 pipe out the back. We deleted the resonators there and there. There's the 2 resonators. There's the mid muffler that was on it. And put some 4.5-inch tips on it, double wall stainless steel. There and there. There'll be a link for everything in the description for you guys. As you guys can see, it looks so much better than the old little 2.5 or 3-inch tips that they put on them. They always need to come with 4-inch tips like that. It looks so much cleaner, so much nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead and back it up. As you guys can see at idle, you can barely hear it. Carbon TRs, rear delete, 4.5-inch tips. And correction, guys, it's a Chrysler 300C, not S. 300C with the HEMI 5.7. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Got a little crowd going today too. Chrysler 300C. 5.7 liter HEMI. Carbon TRs. He's setting up, guys. Let's see what you... 2005 Chrysler 300C HEMI 5.7 HEMI, babe. What we got done on it for you guys, it's got a nice cam in it. He just had it all built, so. And then he brought it to the exhaust shop, and I don't blame him. We got factory converters there and there. Then factory X-Pipe right there. Then what we put on it is 2 Flowmaster Outlaws, part number 815425S. 2.5 inlet, 2.5 outlet, right there. Look at them boys. Then we added 2.5-inch tailpipes, or extensions where the muffler was. It had the suitcase muffler. We'll show it to you guys in a second. Then 2 1/4 pipe out the back, and took the resonators off that side and that side, and put some 4-inch black tips rolled. Just looks a lot better with them right there. There's the resonators. There's that suitcase muffler, they call it, that we just cut off. The resonators and suitcase muffler. Looks so much better, so much cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go. He's got a cam. Much better. Ooh, you like it? Yeah, baby. Here it is. Flowmaster Outlaw. There's sound decibels. Again? 104. That's not bad at all. Hold on. Yeah, when we do the converters, it opens up another 30%. 300C HEMI. Let you guys hear on the inside. I wouldn't get out of his way. We got a camera crew today. Catch him! We got a rev off. Who's gonna take off first? Go! Guys, 2007 Chrysler 300C 5.7 HEMI power, baby. Anyways, what we got done on it is a full system for you guys. High flow cats there and there. Then 2.5 system all the way back. He didn't want an X pipe, so we didn't put on one and ran just true dual all the way back 2.5 on each side there and right there, all the way back into some sexy 4-inch black tips to complete the look. As you guys can see, look at that. Just came out absolutely beautiful. There it is, right there. Look at that. There's the suitcase muffler that was on it. There's the resonators that were on it. And there's the mid pipe that was on it. We took all that off and ran all new, as you guys can see. So it lost about 150 pounds worth of weight off of it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love it. Wow. That is loud. That is screaming. Again? 120, guys. That is crazy. Wow. One more? Back it out. That's why they bring them. We do what we do best. Make them loud, make them proud. Look at that idle, guys. Listen to that idle. Always fueling the addiction, like it says on the sign. Fuel the addiction. Here on the inside. Chrysler 300C. True dual. High flow cats. 2.5-inch pipe into 4-inch tips. Black. Let's see if he puts on a show. Nice. Beast mode out of a HEMI. HEMI, baby. We got us a 2008 Chrysler 300C HEMI. That's when Chryslers look good. They were fat. They still are. I like the new Chryslers. I like the old Chryslers. You guys let me know which one you like more, the old ones or the new ones. Factory converter, as usual, there and there. Factory X-Pipe, there. Then we put 2 MagnaFlow Magna packs, there and there. Part number 10415, link in the description. There they are. Look at that set. Then we did a rear muffler delete, there and there. Continued it all 2 1/4 into some blue flame 4-inch tips. She got them for Christmas, the whole exhaust system, his wife. So that we all need wives like that get us stuff like that for Christmas. There they are. There'll be a link in the description for them also. There's a suitcase muffler that was in the middle. That's what they call it. It looks like a suitcase. There's the rear resonators there and there, and the factory tips. It looks so much better, and it will sound so much better now. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Give it gas. That's perfect. What do you think? A lot cleaner. That one was loud. Again? Yeah, that's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Again? Right at 102. MagnaFlow Magna packs. Rear delete, 4-inch tips. Oh, it sounds so good. That's what I like about the Magna. It's just deep, you know? And see, in idle, like if you're stuck in traffic or something, you don't hear it. It's quiet. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. Chrysler 300C. Think of it. I think it's nice. It's perfect medium. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chrysler 300C HEMI. HEMI. Oh, look at that HEMI.